Hey everyone, this guide covers the complete setup and activation of your Verizon Fuse router hardware connection, WAN port configuration, and network initialization, all in a few quick steps. Connect the coax cable and power cord to your Fuse router, then wait up to 10 minutes until the front light turns solid white. Find the Wi Fi name and a password on the router label, then connect your device by selecting the Wi Fi name and entering the password. Open a web browser and follow the on screen prompt to activate your router and complete setup. Unbox and prepare equipment. Unpack your Verizon Fuse router, power adapter, Ethernet cable, and coaxial cable. Ensure you have the optimal network terminal ONT installed and powered on, usually mounted on a wall in your home. The ONT connects your home to Verizon's fiber network. Connect your router. Connect the coaxial cable A from the coax port on your router to an active coax outlet required if you have Fuse TV service. Connect an Ethernet cable B from the ONT's Ethernet port to the WAN Internet port on your router, usually yellow. For internet speed above 100 Mbps, this wired connection is recommended for best performance. Plug the router's power adapter C into an electrical outlet and connect it to the router. Wait up to 10 minutes for the router to power up fully. The front light should turn solid white when ready. Connect your devices. For wired connection, connect an Ethernet cable from any yellow LAN port on the router to your computer or other device. For Wi Fi connection, find the Wi Fi network name, SSID, and password printed on the label on your router on your device. Select the Wi-Fi network and enter the password exactly as shown. The Fuse router supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi band with a self-organized network SON feature that automatically optimizes your connection by switching between bands. Activate your service. Open a web browser on a device connected to the router. Go to router's admin page by entering 192.168.1.1 or mynetworksettings.com in your browser. Use the admin password found on the label on your router to log in and complete setup. Setting up Wi Fi. On the next page, click Hide Advanced button and click Proceed to 192.168.1.1. Unsaved login page will appear. Find the admin page default credentials at the back of the router and login. To set up guest Wi Fi, move the selector to On and personalize your guest Wi Fi name and password. Click Continue. On the next screen, you can save your Wi Fi settings as an image by clicking Save as Image. Click Apply to save the changes. If prompted, follow the on screen instructions in your browser to activate your router. If you change the Wi Fi name or password, you will be disconnected and must reconnect using the new credentials. When setup is complete, you will see You are all set up message. You can now access the main router settings screen or start using your internet. Note, if a URL does not have HTTPs, the browser generally considers it unsafe, which is why you receive the notification message. You can safely proceed to the next page by following the steps above because this is the URL of your own router. However, if you see this notification on a public or unfamiliar website, do not proceed to protect your security. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.